Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up a job ad on Facebook so that you can find yourself a carpet cleaning technician that actually wants to work. We all know that right now one of the biggest problems that we've got is actually finding employees, and not only finding employees, but employees that actually want to work. It's probably one of the biggest problems that the carpet cleaning industry faces right now, is actually finding quality technicians that are prepared to show up every day and do a good job and stick around as well. If you've never heard of me before, if you're new to the channel, my name's John Williams and I'm the owner of a company called AGB, otherwise known as Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaners like you booked out with jobs on autopilot with our specialist advertising and marketing system. In the last 12 months, we've spent over $2 million advertising carpet cleaners, so we know exactly what works, we know exactly what converts. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners over the years and continue to do so to this day. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as possible, not just survive, but thrive. Whether that's through working with us one-on-one in our digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. Like I said, trying to find good quality employees, good quality technicians in this day and age is possibly one of the hardest things that you can do right now. And so I want to show you how you can post what's called a job post on Facebook for free to your community to actually try and find and filter out those good quality employees, those good quality technicians for your carpet cleaning business. And if you want to take it a step further, you can actually boost that post on Facebook and put $5-10 behind it and reach that higher audience as well. But there really is no better place to try and find those good quality technicians than Facebook, because when you put this job post up, anybody that's engaged with your business page is going to see it, so it could be past customers that might know somebody, friends, relatives, family, so on and so forth, and basically anybody that's engaged or liked with your page. And if you've been around for a while and you've got a good few likes and a good few followers, then there's every chance that these people are going to see this job post. There's always somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, right? And quite often, like, the best people, the best employees often come through people in your community, people that follow your business, people that you actually know, or whether that's past customers or otherwise, right? So it's a great place, it's a great platform to actually put together a job ad where you can collate resumes, CVs, filter out the good ones and kind of get them hooked in for an interview. And like I said, if you want to take it a step further, you can even put a few dollars behind it and it'll turn it into kind of an ad, and people all over your town or city will actually see it as well. Let's dive right into the training right now. Now, some of you may already know about this feature, but I'm willing to bet that there's probably a good number of you guys and girls who maybe didn't know that this feature exists. 20 billion plus people on Facebook. It is the number one social media platform in the world. So what better place to find your next team member than Facebook itself? And they provide you with a number of tools to assist you in doing that. So I just want to run through that with you guys in this video today so that you guys can take it and maybe make a job post and hopefully find your next employee as you grow and scale. So let's dive right in. I'm on our Facebook page right here for this demonstration. So what you want to do is head over to your carpet cleaning Facebook business page, and along the top here you should have this thing that says jobs. So you're just going to click on that. It's really simple. You're going to go create job. Basically, next up you are going to, on the left hand side here, you're going to fill this in. Let's fill this in based on as if we were doing it to get a tech carpet cleaning technician. Okay, you were going to put in the address, or you might put, like Washington, something like that, full time. You're going to put job description, and in here, this is like your ad, basically, just like imagine you're running an ad to get carpet cleaning customers. So you want to write in here something that's going to catch people's eye. You want to use emojis and stuff like that. One of the things that you can use is something called Emojipedia. Look that up. You're going to get loads of images that you can use. Take this, for example, put in here, hey, Washington community. Take something like that. So when people see this post, immediately grabs their attention. A couple of images. Are you looking for work? Are you looking for a regular income chance to learn and grow with a fantastic family-owned business? Here at XYZ Steamers, we have an opening for a carpet cleaning technician. The role is full-time and all training will be given. If you already have experience, it's a huge plus, not essential. We are looking for hard-working, decent, trustworthy individuals who genuinely want to work and turn up every day. Something like that, right? Like, call out those people. We are looking for hardworking, decent and trustworthy individuals who genuinely want to work and turn up every day. Join our fantastic family business. Additional benefits and commission on upsells also available for those with sales skills. Click the button below to apply now. You could put in there maybe if you don't want anyone with a criminal record. So again, I've just knocked this up in a couple of minutes. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to leverage Facebook job posts to find yourself a carpet cleaning technician for your carpet cleaning business. This is a 3-part mini series, so do make sure that you hit the subscribe button to the channel so that you get notified when the next part of this training comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description where you'll find a link to our website. See you on the next one. Cheers.